Hello, guys. Welcome back again to another beautiful day. Have you ever tried this? Have you ever tried this thing? And in the looking in the eyes, do you know what is that? Oh my goodness, this is gizzard. This gizzard makes sense. This gizzard is the one you need to eat, especially when it is a time for you to start eating something good, something yummy, something delicious. This gizzard is made with coconut, and you will not wait to see how we make this amazing, delicious, nice coconuts with rice, guys. Before taking much of your time, welcome back again to my page. Welcome back to my YouTube. According to where you're watching from, is your baby girl, Rosa Edward, in the building. So let's get started. Guys, this is the beginning of everything you just saw. This is the beginning where we want to clean up the gizzard. When you bring the gizzard, it will look like this. And you need to remove all those bad things inside. Especially this one is so much of oil. Make sure you remove it. Oh, yes. After you are done, this is the outcome of it. What I have here, we have onion, tomato, and other ingredients, which is going to go down with this gizzard. The gizzard is ready now. The gizzard is so ready guys, like this, the gizzard is ready to go down to the everything. We have already washed the gizzard. This is onion, and also we have tomato. Oh yes, I put so much tomato, guys, because I'm going to make something delicious out of it, okay? And I'm just showing you the way I wash the gizzard. So it's cooking is very nice, it's healthy, when you cook something, that is it. So now at this moment, at the for kitchen, I just need to add my onion inside the, now. So make sure you add your onion, and while you are doing that, bam, this is my three coconuts. This coconut is very strong, but needs someone who has power to break it. Oh yes, when you break the coconut, you will know this is fresh coconut. We use this three coconuts to make this delicious food. Oh yes, please, if you never tried before, do me a favor by trying this beautiful and amazing yum yum. You will be drinking water all through your days. Say amen. Oh, yes. You will be just drinking water every day, drinking water, drinking water. And bam, I just went ahead and checked how far my onion. Now I come to realize that it's time for me to just add the tomato inside the onion. I said, oh yes, this is a very good moment for me to just start stirring everything up. Make sure that all your things are ready closer to you. Oh yes, guys. So I'm going to show you now how I have already cut out the things of the things you get. I put it inside here and see the outcome of it. I need to cut it little by little before I can go ahead and blend it. You need to blend it very well and see the outcome of it. Oh yes, this is our milk, pure milk. Tomato juice is here, so pure, white. Oh yes, now it's time for me to put inside the rice. And yes, you can see as my husband is helping me out. This is the coconut or water with coconut together. We didn't remove everything. We didn't remove anything at all. This is just coconut and the rest of the things inside it. Oh yes, this is the ingredients which I'm going to add. Here we have Maggi, we have chili, we have salt, we have curry, we have black pepper, and we have other ingredient. And bam! I went ahead and checked my tomato how far. Now I can't see say how far there for market is working. Yeah, I say yeah, it's working. Is it working? It's working. It's working. It's working. I said okay. Where is the things of the things? So I come said okay, I will bring the things of the things now. Now tomato is ready, and it's time for me to put everything together. Has some of the water of that coconut, I pour it here, and some of the coconut, I put it with rice, and other coconut, I'm cooking it with this thing. And yes, see it? Here is that coconut water. Okay? We didn't filter anything because we want to eat everything. This is the outcome of it, the delicious out of it. So please, yes, this is our rice now. Oh my goodness, this rice you will never lack. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. See, this is my morning. I am cooking something delicious. What are you waiting for? Come to my kitchen, order your food. We are here to deliver to your door. Welcome to my kitchen. I am cooking beautiful things. Come and eat. Come and chop one, chop two, chop three. Is your baby girl Rosie in the building as we are singing now? This morning we are making this delicious yummy, 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 yummy plantain from Egbe, Nigeria, South Sudan. Yum, 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Welcome to our yum 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 yum. Thank you so much for watching. Yum 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 yum. Bye for now.